get fucking Junior's tag. You telling me, man? It's beautiful. I can't believe it. How you doing today? Another day in paradise. Any issues? I got nervous a little bit, man. I was like, shit, what do we do? No, you're good. Have a good one, brother. You're good. That's fucking awesome. Oh, fuck me running.
Okay, he's indicating I should go around him, but dude, you're not giving me room. It's a blind, okay, there we go. It's a blind turn. All right. He scooted over for me. Oh, shit. Shit! All right, I got pulled over, guys. I was literally, how did I know that was gonna happen? Ooh, did I get pulled over? Oh, okay. Yeah, I did. All right, this is how you talk to the cops and be nice about it. Hi, officer.
How you doing?
Doing great.
License, registration, proof.
Yeah.
He's doing 50 miles per hour in a 35 and you still pass.
I'm sorry?
He's doing 50 miles per hour.
Was I?
He was.
Oh, he was.
Yeah. Speed limit is 35.
Okay.
Still passed him whenever he's doing 50.
Oh,
He's going to get a speeding ticket. You're going to get a speeding ticket and passing in a no passing ticket.
Oh, he was indicating for me to go around him.
He can't indicate on a double yellow to go around him, can he?
Okay.
Can he do that?
No, he can't. I thought he was pulling off to the side, though. I didn't go over the line.
Oh, yes, you did. Yes, you did. I watched. I was right there.
I know. He pulled over and I went over. I thought he was pulling off on one of those pullouts.
Passing in the same lane.
He was pulling off, I thought.
Is that legal?
Sir, I'm not arguing that that's not legal, but I thought he was pulling off onto the side.
In a no passing zone. You can't pass there.
What's the pull?
Or not? If he stops, yes, you can. If he pulls all the way off the side of the road, yes, you can.
That's what I thought he was doing.
As long as he's in the lane, you cannot pass there.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I thought that's what he was doing. This is a brand new bike. This is only got 150 miles, but I got my license here.
50 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour zone. You see your license, your registration, your proof of insurance. You're gonna wave somebody around? You're gonna wave somebody around you? Is that what you did? What? You waved him around you?
I think that's like so we can pass it.
Yeah, you gotta pull over off the side of the road.
Oh.
You can't just give him part of the lane. You give him the whole lane.
Oh, okay.
There's numerous turnouts. But you're doing 50 miles per hour and he's going by you. Registration, proof of insurance. That's 35. Let me see your driver's license. Okay, can you pass whenever somebody just gives you part of the lane?
No.
Because they still own the lane,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Can't do it in the city, you can't do it up here.
Yes, sir.
Can you go by somebody at a red light and pass in the middle and be the first one in the line?
No, sir.
The light? It's the same rule.
Yes, sir.
They own that lane, you cannot do that.
Yes, sir.
They're doing 50 miles per hour. Should you pass them at 50?
No, sir.
Because what's the speed limit?
35.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Next time I see you, we aren't having a conversation. I am very fair, but whenever you do stuff like that, it doesn't work so well.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't work so well for you, it doesn't work so well for me, because I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day. Don't just put part of it on there, put the whole thing on there.
Oh, yeah, they're still running.
Oh, if you're filming me, put the whole thing on Facebook, not just part of it.
Oh, no, sir, I have a YouTube channel, and it's this right here. I used to be a firefighter, resigned. I was showing basically what this little bike, if it can make up this mountain. I didn't realize how fast I was going.
Can I steal this, Dan?
Yeah, you can have that. It's a magnet. That's me. I don't.
But yeah, we don't pass anywhere there's a double yellow unless they give you the entire lane. And there's numerous locations where they can pull over. So what you do is you just slow down and say, I can't.
Will do.